Did you know that the law of attraction visualization technique grants you direct control over your imagination, allowing you to visualize your dreams into a state of reality? Abby, what does this have to do with me getting my ex back? But it does. Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you so much for joining me today at Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel created especially for you to help you navigate through any relationship issues. So, let me share with you 3 reasons by defining visualization and its power in manifesting your ex back. Number 1, the universe responds to how you feel, not what you want. This is so important. Most of the times we talk and we say, I want this, I want that. No, it's what we feel that creates our reality. In order to manifest positive things in our lives, we must develop a high energy frequency. What can possibly skyrocket this frequency more than seeing yourself cuddling with your ex, laughing, planning your lives together? This is so important to lift our energy frequencies. Number 2, when you orchestrate in your mind a visual picture of everything you want to achieve, the universe picks up on that energy. And through the law of reciprocity, provides you that which matches your energy frequency. Remember, energy attracts energy. That's basic law of attraction 101. So it's so important to visualize exactly what it is that you are looking to accomplish. As if it's happening, as if it happened. As though you're telling your best friend, we did this, we did that, she said this, she's whatever. But that feeling is what we need to really milk. That is what will make our dreams into reality. And number 3, in order to manifest successfully, we must believe that what desire is already ours. It's not about maybe, it's not about could it be? No, it's ours. Do you know that the majority of reasons that you do not get what you want is because you believe you can't get it? I believe I can't get it. We all believe we can't get it at some times. It's so important to change our mindset. We must believe that it's ours. So visualizing something as if it is allows you to reprogram the subconscious mind to align with the conscious mind. This is very, very important as well. Your subconscious mind is the seat of your consciousness. It is what executes your beliefs. Your reality reflects your beliefs. A belief is really a thought. You thought a whole bunch of times, and then you become accustomed to it and you believe it as true, something that you expect. And remember, that's the fundamental principle, that what you expect, what you believe, what you feel, you receive. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and leave any comments you may have regarding this or any other video, and I will respond to them in the order received. Remember, Coach Alex, Adrian, and the rest of our team are available to assist you in anything you may need, reminding you always that you are not alone. I, for one, invite you to a one-on-one session with me. Allow me to help you explore all the possibilities that the law of attraction offers you to attract the love you desire. Until next time, I'm Coach Abby.